Hey there, welcome back to Notionism. In this video, I'll guide you through the simple steps to share Notion templates with others. Whether you're collaborating on a project or sharing your template for others to use, I've got you covered. To initiate sharing your template, click on the Share link in the top corner of your page. If you aim to collaborate with someone on your page, easily enter their email in the provided field. This is useful for real-time project collaboration. Should you wish to share the template without granting access to your workspace, opt for the Publish option. This is ideal for distributing a template for independent use. After selecting the Publish option, don't forget to hit Publish to Web to generate a link for easy template access. To allow others to duplicate your template, ensure the Allow to Duplicate as a template option is enabled. This empowers them to create their personalized version. Now, all that's left is to copy the provided link. Share it with others, embed it in your blog, or even offer it as a product on various online platforms. There you have it. Sharing Notion templates is now simpler than ever. Whether you're collaborating or showcasing your creativity, Notion streamlines the process. Subscribe to my channel to discover more invaluable tutorials on Notion and boosting productivity. Thank you for watching.